Kia ora, I'm Celia from Big Review TV, and today I'm at the Blacksmith in Takanini. Now here they serve top quality food and offer an extensive range of tap beers, ciders and wines. Let's go check them out. Inside the Blacksmith in Takanini at the moment, and it's buzzing with people enjoying a delicious meal. There's plenty of seating to cater for everyone, and the menu is extensive and varied as well. Plus they cater to all your dietary requirements. Also the food is of top quality and good value. So come along to the Blacksmith and enjoy a delicious meal. There you go, that was the Blacksmith in Takanini. The next time you're looking for a delicious meal in a comfortable surrounding, check out the Blacksmith.